If you're seeing a Monday.com error saving changes or a board update problem, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to troubleshoot the issue and get Monday.com working normally again. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last steps can often fix the problem when the others don't. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly and clear a temporary glitch. If the board still won't save, check your internet connection next. A weak or unstable connection can stop changes from syncing correctly. If possible, switch to a different network, such as mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection, and try again. If that still doesn't solve it, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can interfere with Monday.com and prevent updates from going through. To do this, open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or similar extensions. After that, go back to Monday.com and refresh the page. Another common cause is a VPN or proxy connection. If you're using one, turn it off temporarily and then refresh Monday.com. VPNs and proxies can sometimes cause board actions to fail because they change how your browser connects to the site. Once you disable it, try saving your changes again. If the error still appears, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then select Cache and Cookies, choose Clear, and restart the browser. This removes old or corrupted site data that may be causing the save error. Once the browser opens again, sign back into Monday.com and test the board. If none of that works, sign out of your Monday.com account completely and then sign back in. A fresh login can often reset session issues that block updates from saving. After signing back in, reopen the board and try making the change again. At this point, Monday.com should be working properly again. If the error was caused by a temporary connection issue, an extension, or stale browser data, these steps usually fix it. If you want, you can also test the board in another browser to confirm whether the issue is browser-related. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix the Monday.com error-saving changes or the board update issue, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. I'll see you in the next one.